Is your landlord support squad up to the challenge? My name is Sasha Lightfoot with Landlord Help Hub, and we're going to talk about 9 professionals that every landlord should have on their team. Who's on your team? You should have a lawyer. A lawyer is maybe not just one person, but could be a team of lawyers. Perhaps you have a real estate attorney who helps you with leases or possible tenant relationship scenarios. You could also have a family lawyer that helps you with any sort of estates or trust. You could also have a business and tax attorney who helps you with maybe entity structures. A CPA or a tax professional who can help you file your taxes. Someone who is up to speed with the new publications and the certain tax ramifications for your transactions or your properties or your certain scenarios. Someone who is very familiar with your transactions and helping you structure your taxes in the way that is most beneficial to you. A bookkeeper, someone who keeps track of your bank accounts, the deposits, and the expenses, categorizes them correctly. This can not only save you time, but it can also save you money at the end of the year during tax season, when you can present that beautiful balance sheet and that very detailed income statement to your tax preparer and make tax time a breeze. You should have a financial planner, someone who knows what your plan is, someone who you sit down with at the beginning of the year and plan out the next year, but also someone who you can call when you're going to make big financial decisions and see what impact it may have on your total financial portfolio. On your team, you should have a mortgage broker. That's the person who's there with you from loan qualification all the way through closing. That mortgage broker is the person who can help secure you the best deal for a loan at the time that you're looking for a loan with the qualification requirements that you can meet. They're also the person who can help you when you're trying to secure the property. Perhaps you need a different pre-qual letter. You need that mortgage broker on the phone and easily accessible to you at the drop of a hat so that you can close the deal. You need an insurance agent on your team. This is the person who will look at your total portfolio and make sure that you are using the best carriers with the best ratings to protect yourself and protect your assets. You may want to consider a property manager for your team. Maybe you don't use a property manager and maybe you're an owner manager. But either way, a property manager could be the perfect advocate for your property, depending on your scenario. On your landlord team, you want to have a primary bank that you use. You want to have a relationship with that bank so that you have a representative that you can call up if anything goes awry, whether it be a fraudulent transaction or needing to open a new account for a newly acquired property. Every landlord needs to have a top-notch vendor list. These vendors are not only the people who you're going to call when you need something fixed, but they're also going to be the people who go and do the proactive maintenance for your property. They're also going to be, or at least a good one, will make sure to report back to you on the condition of your property. What type of professionals do you have on your landlord squad? Be sure to comment below and let us know what professionals you value as a landlord. Also, be sure to check out our website and our courses and our articles, and definitely subscribe to our channel.